Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade Forex on Oanda. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Oanda website and download the trading platform. Oanda offers a user-friendly platform called FX Trade, which can be accessed online or through a mobile app. Once you have created your account and downloaded the platform, you can fund it using a variety of payment methods. It is essential to understand the basics of Forex trading before you begin, including the concept of currency pairs, leverage, and margin. Currency pairs are the foundation of Forex trading, and they represent the exchange rate between two currencies. For example, the Euro-US-dollar pair is represented as Euro-USD. Leverage allows you to trade with more money than you have in your account, but it also increases your potential losses. To place a trade on Oanda, you will need to navigate to the trading platform and select the currency pair you want to trade. You can then choose the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or a limit order. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will execute when the price reaches a certain level. You will also need to set your position size, which is the amount of money you want to trade. It is essential to use proper risk management techniques to limit your potential losses. This can include setting stop-loss orders, which will automatically close your trade if it reaches a certain price. Oanda also offers a range of technical and fundamental analysis tools to help you make informed trading decisions. These tools include charts, indicators, and news feeds. It is crucial to stay up to date with market news and analysis to maximize your trading potential. To close a trade on Oanda, you can simply navigate to the trading platform and select the trade you want to close. You can then choose to close the entire position or partially close it. It is vital to keep track of your trades and adjust your strategy as needed to achieve your trading goals. In conclusion, trading Forex on Oanda can be a rewarding experience if you have the right knowledge and skills. By following these steps and using the tools and resources available on the platform, you can start trading Forex with confidence. Remember to always use proper risk management techniques and stay informed about market conditions to maximize your trading potential.